Hey, welcome back to the Infinite Journey. I've got a question for you. What if everything you've ever wanted, success, happiness, inner peace, was just one mindset shift away? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let me tell you, it's not only possible, but absolutely within your reach. The secret to unlocking your full potential lies in mastering the way you think, the way you approach challenges, and the way you see the world around you. Now, don't get me wrong. Success doesn't come from just wishing for it. But when you shift your mindset, everything around you starts to shift too. Imagine waking up every day with a sense of purpose, clarity, and motivation to crush your goals. What would that feel like? Today, I'm going to share with you 7 life-changing secrets that will not only unlock your true potential, but will help you cultivate a mindset that attracts success, joy, and peace. These secrets have the power to reshape the way you think and, as a result, reshape your life. So stick with me, because this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Before we dive in, if you're excited to unlock your full potential and transform your life, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who needs a mindset boost, and make sure to subscribe to the Infinite Journey for more powerful tips on living your best life. Let's get started. Tip 1. Master your inner dialogue. Secret number 1. Master your inner dialogue. Think about this for a moment. What do you tell yourself when you're faced with a challenge? Do you say things like, I can't do this, or I'll never be able to succeed? Or do you say, I've got this, or I'm capable of overcoming anything? The way you talk to yourself is everything. Did you know that the average person has over 60,000 thoughts a day, and most of those thoughts are negative? That's right, most people's minds are filled with self-doubt, criticism, and worry. And when you think this way, your mind starts to believe it. And your reality starts to match your negative beliefs. Your thoughts create your reality. But here's the good news. You can change that. When you master your inner dialogue, you take control over your thoughts, and your thoughts start to work in your favor. Positive self-talk is like a superpower. Now, I'm not talking about just fake positivity or ignoring problems. I'm talking about real, empowering thoughts that align with your goals and vision. When you catch yourself thinking something negative, try to flip it. For example, if you think this is too hard, turn it into I can handle this one step at a time. If you think I'm not good enough, shift it to I am more than capable of growing and learning. Remember, you are what you think. Master your inner dialogue, and you can master your life. Tip 2. Visualize your success. All right, moving on to secret number 2, visualization. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal. Successful people don't just work hard. They visualize their success in vivid detail. And when you do this, it's not just about imagining the end goal. It's about feeling that success as if it's happening right now. Here's how it works. When you visualize, your brain doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. That's right. Your brain activates the same neural pathways for visualized experiences as it does for actual experiences. Let me give you an example. Athletes use visualization all the time. Before a big game, an athlete might sit quietly, close their eyes, and visualize themselves performing their best moves, scoring the winning point, or crossing the finish line. They go through every movement, every emotion, as if it's happening right then and there. And this works not just for athletes, but for any goal you're working toward. Whether it's getting a promotion, finishing a big project, or speaking confidently in public, you can visualize success. And when you do, you prime your brain to start noticing the opportunities and taking the actions needed to make that vision a reality. So, here's what I want you to do after this video. Take 5 minutes each day to close your eyes and vividly visualize yourself living your dream life. Picture yourself accomplishing your goals. Feel the excitement, the pride, and the gratitude. The more it will become your real you make it, the more it will become your reality. Tip 3. Embrace failure as feedback now. Secret number 3. Embrace failure as feedback. Listen up. This one is huge. If you're afraid of failure, you're probably avoiding challenges that could lead to your success. And that's a big mistake. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of the process of success. In fact, the most successful people have failed more times than they've succeeded. So why do we fear it so much? Let's take Thomas Edison as an example. He failed more than 1,000 times before he invented the light bulb. Imagine how easy it would have been for him to quit after the first 100 failures. But he didn't. He viewed each failure as feedback, as a lesson on what doesn't work, bringing him one step closer to figuring out what does work. When you change your perspective on failure, you stop fearing it and start seeing it as a necessary part of the journey. Think about it this way. If you're not failing, you're not growing. Every time you fail, you learn something new, you get stronger, and you get closer to your goals. Tip 4. The power of consistency. I'll write secret number 4. Consistency is the key. You've probably heard the saying, success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. And let me tell you, it's absolutely true. Here's the thing. We all want instant results, but the most lasting success comes from consistent effort over time. It's not about doing one big thing. It's about making small actions a regular part of your life. Take a look at any successful person, whether it's an entrepreneur, a professional athlete, or even a top performer in your field. They don't rely on bursts of intense effort. They succeed because they show up every single day, even when they don't feel like it. One example is Jerry Seinfeld, the comedian. He once shared his strategy for writing jokes. Every day, he would write one new joke and mark an X on the calendar. The goal wasn't to write a masterpiece every day. It was just to show up and be consistent. And guess what? Over time, those little efforts compounded into one of the most successful careers in comedy history. So remember, small steps repeated consistently lead to massive results. Tip 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Secret number 5. Surround yourself with positivity. Who you spend your time with plays a huge role in your mindset. If you're around negative people or toxic environments, it's going to be much harder to stay positive and focused on your goals. On the other hand, if you surround yourself with people who lift you up, encourage you, and challenge you to be better, your mindset will start to change. You'll be more motivated, more focused, and more likely to succeed. You've heard the saying, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Well, that's because our environments influence us deeply, whether we realize it or not. So take a moment and ask yourself, are the people I'm spending the most time with helping me grow? Or are they holding me back? If you want to change your mindset, you've got to change your circle. We're already halfway through these powerful tips. If you're feeling inspired and you're ready to transform your mindset, hit that like button. Share this video with someone who could use a little positivity boost, and make sure to subscribe to The Infinite Journey. Stay tuned, because we've still got 2 more secrets that could change everything. Tip 6. Take care of your body. Secret number 6. Take care of your body. It's easy to forget that our physical health is directly linked to our mental health. When you feel tired, sluggish, or unwell, it's harder to stay positive, focused, or motivated. Here's the good news. When you take care of your body, your mind becomes sharper, your mood improves, and your energy levels soar. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and quality sleep are essential to maintaining a healthy mindset. Tip 7. Live with purpose. And last but certainly not least, live with purpose. When you live with purpose, everything changes. Your goals become clearer, your motivation skyrockets, and every day becomes an opportunity to align with what truly matters to you. So, let's recap. Master your inner dialogue. Visualize your success. Embrace failure as feedback. Be consistent. Surround yourself with positivity. Take care of your body. Live with purpose. These 7 mindset secrets can truly transform your life. If you're ready to unlock your full potential, hit that like button. Share this video with a friend who needs a mindset boost. And don't forget to subscribe to The Infinite Journey so you can keep learning and growing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.